Today we're going to install the BF1099A by WinDoor. In today's video, I'm going to unpackage the product, show you the components, and show you some of the tools that you're going to need for this install. Starting with our 6-foot level, our cordless screw guns, both standard and impact, Phillips screwdriver, Allen keys, both 1/8 and 5/32, laser level, glass cup, the appropriate sealant, and a 25-foot tape measure. Here's our 3 panels with mainframe. The configuration is an 03 stack. Now it's time to unpackage the mainframe. Starting with our first box that has our rollers, guides, hardware, and assembly instructions. Handles in the other box. And then we have our jams, header, track cover, our mainframe adapters, and our mainframe anchor covers. To recap, I've now unpackaged the product, showed you the pieces and parts, and showed you some of the tools that you'll need for this install. In the next video, we're going to assemble the mainframe and show you where to apply the sealant in each corner.